Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Geraldine Malaay Pagama, 40 years old, blessed with 2 children, 18 years old and 12 years old. And I am separated. And I am high school graduates from Sagaka Dinas, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I worked before as a domestic helper. It was 2009 to 2015. And I served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 newborn baby, and 1 children there in Kuwait. Second experience there in Hong Kong. It was 2016 to 2019, and I served 4 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, include the newborn baby. And the last experience there in Kuwait again. It was 2022 to 2024. And I served 1 daughter widow and the mother elderly. And my work, my main duties is cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, washing clothes, and washing car. And the most especially of my work, taking care of the children, like giving milk, giving bath, take a bath, making food for them, send to school, and pick them up from school, and playing with them, singing with them, like reading book with them, like that, and singing also. And sometimes I singing for them, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like,
Okay, thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.